Hi there, David. Thanks for coming to my website. Many people are wanting to acquire a home and they think they can't qualify because of all the problems that you're hearing and seeing on the news and in the newspapers about banks falling apart, closing the doors, going into bankruptcy. That's not true. You can buy homes, and you can even buy homes for $50,000, $70,000, and even $100,000. These homes are great homes, they're newer homes in good areas, but the banks have foreclosed on them, and because they've foreclosed on them, they cannot sell them, or there's not as many buyers because people don't think they can qualify. So if you're wanting to learn how to get a home and purchase it for $100, there's a new program out there that we'd like to share with you on how you can qualify to buy a home for $100. We also have a free report on the other side on how to buy homes at 50% off purchase price. These are homes that the banks have to get off their books now. All we have to do is find one that you like, make an offer, the bank will accept it, and then you guys have your brand new home. And then the third report that we have, if you want it, is how to survive and profit by purchasing a home now in today's economy. Now's the best time to buy a home. You'll make more money if by purchasing a home today and letting it grow in the next 2 to 3 years and then making a huge profit than ever before in the history of Arizona. So all you have to do is fill out the information below, and we look forward to sending you these free reports.